In this video, I'll walk you through how to create your first data analysis workflow using Orange's powerful yet simple tools. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned analyst, Orange is an amazing open source platform that makes data visualization and exploration easy and intuitive. Let's dive in. Once you've installed Orange, the first thing you'll see is the home screen. From here you can start a new workflow, open a recent project, or explore tutorials. Let's start fresh. Click on Start New Workflow, and you'll now see a blank canvas. Everything in Orange revolves around widgets. These are the building blocks of your analysis. Widgets perform different tasks like loading data, visualizing it, clustering, building predictive models, and more. You'll find the widget panel on the left side of your screen. Most workflows begin with the File widget. Simply click on the File widget and it will appear in your canvas. You can double-click it to open it. Navigate to your desired dataset and load it. Once the data is loaded, you'll want to see what's inside. Next, we'll use the Data Table widget to view our data. Connect the output of the File widget to the input of the Data Table widget by dragging a line between them. Now open the Data Table widget. Here we have our dataset in a typical rows and columns format. To better understand our data, let's create a visual representation. We'll use a scatter plot. Drag it and connect it. Once connected, open the scatter plot widget. Now you'll see a graphical view of your data, which is much easier to interpret than numbers alone. And just like that, you've created your first workflow in Orange. Always ensure that your data is clean and structured before loading it into Orange. Missing or incorrect data can lead to flawed analysis. Orange offers a wide variety of widgets, so experiment with them. Make sure to save your workflows regularly to avoid losing progress. Orange allows you to easily open and edit past workflows. Sometimes users forget to connect the output of one widget to the input of another. Always ensure that the widgets are properly linked for your workflow to function.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.